नमस्कार देवियों सज्जन। भगवान श्री कृष्ण के अनेकों गुण हैं, अनेकों लीलाएं, परंतु इन सभी गुणों में से जो सबसे सर्वोत्तम गुण है वो है भगवान श्री कृष्ण का ड्रेसिंग सेंस, उनके वस्त्र धारण करने की कला। भगवान श्री कृष्ण के ड्रेसिंग सेंस के विषय में महान कवि रसखान कहते हैं कि कर कानन कुंडल मोर पखा उर्पे बनमाल बेराजती है, मुरली कर में अधरा मुस्कान तरंग महाचवि छाजती है, रसखान लखै तन पीत पटा शत दामन की धुतिला जती है, वह बांसुरी की धुन कानी पड़े कुल कानी हियो तजी भाजती है। अर्थात भगवान श्री कृष्ण के कानों में कुंडल, मस्तक पे मोर का पंख, गले में फूलों की माला है। भगवान श्री कृष्ण ने जो पीले वस्त्र पहन रखे हैं, उन वस्त्रों की चमक इतनी तेज है कि उसके आगे 100 बिजलियों की चमक भी फीकी पड़ जा रही है। भगवान श्री कृष्ण की मुरली की धुन में वो सुर है, वो मधुरता है कि जिसे सुन के समस्त गोकुलवासी उनका अनुसरण करने लगते हैं, उनके पीछे चलने लगते हैं। ऐसा प्रभावशाली व्यक्तित्व, ऐसा प्रभावशाली ड्रेसिंग सेंस भगवान श्री कृष्ण का है। Ladies and gentlemen, such was the dressing sense of Lord Sri Krishna that the great poets of this world have written poetry specifically on the dressing sense of Lord Sri Krishna. Otherwise, he was having so many other achievements. कंस को मारा, शिशुपाल को मारा, कालिया नाग के फन के ऊपर नृत्य किया, गोवर्धन पर्वत को अपनी कान्ही उंगली में उठा लिया, अर्जुन को कुरुक्षेत्र में गीता का उपदेश दिया, वो उपदेश जिसे आज के मॉडर्न जमाने के लोग अभी तक फॉलो करते हैं। श्री कृष्णा is having so many achievements, but still the great poet Raskhan, he specifically concentrated on the dressing sense of Lord Sri Krishna. You know why? Because dressing sense is the prime identity of any individual. People recognize you at the very first place by what you wear, and after that by how you speak and how you behave. Ladies and gentlemen, most of the times during college campus placement drives, students get rejected only because of their bad dressing sense. And when the training and placement team asks the HR that, "Sir, ma'am, why are you rejecting this candidate? This candidate is the most sincere and the most intelligent candidate of our college. Every time he scores more than 90% in every semester examination. Why are you rejecting such a brilliant candidate?" To this, the HR says, "Sir, ma'am, we know that your students are the best institution in the country, and that's why we have come to your college for conducting campus placement drive, leaving all other colleges. But sir, ma'am, if this student enters my industry with such a bad dressing sense, it is going to bring the profits of my industry down." We are very conscious about the dressing sense of our employees. That's why we will never accept those people who are not having a good dressing sense. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the fact of life. This is the fact of campus placement drives and even off-campus placement drives. When you directly go to industries taking your resume, HRs can reject you because of your bad dressing sense. They always concentrate on dressing sense, proper etiquette, how you wear a particular dress, a particular uniform. They always concentrate primarily on this, and after that they concentrate on your knowledge and experience. Always remember this. And let me give you one more example. Suppose you are studying in some institution and the name of your institution is suppose XYZ Institute. And suppose you are wearing a systematic uniform. College uniform shirt well pressed, college uniform pant well pressed, black shoes well polished matching white socks, tie properly connected to your neck, uppermost button closed. And suppose you are standing outside the college gate and some stranger comes near your college gate and he looks at you. Looking at you, he says, "Oh my God, just look at these students. They are looking so dynamic. They are so well dressed. they are looking so professional. They are in fact looking like real life corporate professionals. But in which institute they study? Which institution? And somebody says, sir, they are from this institution. You see that board, the XYZ Institute? And listening to this, the stranger says, oh my God, they are from XYZ Institute, the greatest institution in the universe. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the reputation of your institution that you carry with you when you wear a systematic uniform. Dressing sense is the prime identity of any individual. Always remember this. People identify you at the very first place by what you wear, and after that by how you behave and how you speak. And during campus placement drives, HRs are highly specific about dressing sense of their students. Most of the time it happens that when students gather in the campus placement room where the HR has to brief the students about his industry and the kind of work that happens over there, the HR first of all analyzes the dressing sense of different candidates, and if he finds that a particular student is not following a proper dress code, he is not allowed to sit in campus placement drive. He is not allowed to sit in campus placement drive. Ladies and gentlemen, you can lose a golden opportunity of your life if you are not properly dressed. You can lose a golden job opportunity. Campus placement drive is a golden job opportunity. You don't need to go outside, run here and there to different industries in order to search for a job. Right inside the comfort zone of your college, the HR of a particular industry is coming and your interview is happening right inside the comfort zone of your college premises. That's why please do not lose this opportunity just because of a bad dressing sense. Always dress up appropriately and professionally, because dressing sense is the prime identity of an individual. Everything comes after that. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.